Our world is becoming more urban. More people are moving to cities every year. Cities are centers of opportunity, offering jobs and services. But this rapid growth brings big challenges. Our cities face a growing sustainability crisis. Housing becomes scarce and expensive. Demand for energy and water rises sharply. Existing infrastructure struggles to cope. Waste management systems are often overwhelmed. Public transport can become overcrowded. Traffic congestion becomes a daily frustration. Air and noise pollution levels increase. Green spaces, vital for recreation and health, often shrink. We need to rethink how our cities grow. Green engineering offers many promising pathways. Cities have a large impact on the natural environment. As cities expand, they consume land, leading to habitat loss. Pollution is a major problem in many cities. Air quality suffers from industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust. Water bodies can become contaminated. Improper waste disposal pollutes soil and water. This pollution harms human health and ecosystems. Cities are major consumers of resources, requiring vast amounts of energy and water. Often, cities operate on a linear model, depleting natural resources. We need to move towards a circular economy in cities. Many cities are significant sources of greenhouse gas emissions. Cities also experience the urban heat island effect. Sustainable urban development is essential to address these climate challenges. It prioritizes clean air and water for all. Green roofs are an innovative solution for urban areas, offering a unique way to integrate nature into our concrete jungles. A green roof is essentially a layer of vegetation planted over a waterproofing membrane, creating a living, breathing ecosystem atop buildings. Green roofs bring nature back into our cities, transforming barren rooftops into vibrant green spaces. One major benefit of green roofs is stormwater management. They absorb rainwater, reducing the burden on urban drainage systems. Cities have many hard surfaces like roads and buildings, which contribute to runoff and flooding. Green roofs absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and improving water quality by filtering pollutants. Green roofs also help save energy in buildings by providing natural insulation. The layer of soil and plants provides insulation, reducing energy consumption for heating and cooling. Furthermore, green roofs enhance urban biodiversity, offering a sanctuary for various species. They create new habitats for small creatures, supporting urban wildlife. Green roofs improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and producing oxygen. Plants on green roofs act as natural air purifiers, making the air cleaner and healthier. They help reduce the urban heat island effect, cooling the city environment. This makes cities cooler and more comfortable, providing pleasant spaces for people to enjoy. Green roofs also improve the appearance of buildings, adding aesthetic value and creating beautiful urban landscapes. Vertical farming is a new and innovative way to grow food, revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. It involves cultivating crops in vertically stacked layers, often indoors, utilizing advanced technologies like LED lighting and automated systems. Vertical farms use controlled environment agriculture, which means they can precisely manage temperature, humidity, and light to optimize plant growth. This technology allows food to be grown anywhere, especially in urban areas where space is limited and traditional farming is not feasible. Food grown in cities does not need to travel far, reducing transportation distances and the associated carbon footprint, making it a more sustainable option. Vertical farms can produce crops year-round, providing a consistent and reliable food supply regardless of external weather conditions or seasonal changes. They typically use much less water than traditional agriculture, thanks to efficient irrigation systems that recycle water and reduce waste. Many vertical farms use hydroponic or aeroponic systems, which allow plants to grow without soil and further minimize water waste. Because the environment is controlled, pesticides are often not needed, resulting in cleaner and healthier produce for consumers. Vertical farms also use land very efficiently, making it possible to grow large amounts of food in a relatively small area. They can produce large amounts of food in a small footprint, which is crucial for feeding the growing urban populations. Vertical farms contribute significantly to urban food security by ensuring a steady supply of fresh produce. They allow cities to produce food locally, strengthening resilience against supply chain disruptions and fostering a sense of community. Vertical farms have the potential to help feed growing urban populations, ensuring that cities can sustainably support their residents with fresh, locally grown food. Smart technologies are transforming our cities, making them more efficient and sustainable. They use data, sensors, and connectivity to make cities more efficient, reducing waste and improving quality of life for residents. Smart technologies are a key part of green engineering, helping to create more sustainable urban environments. They enable us to manage urban resources more intelligently, from energy to water to waste management. Smart grids are an example of smart technology in energy management, allowing for more efficient distribution and use of energy. Smart grids use digital technology to optimize energy distribution, ensuring that power is used where and when it is needed most. They help integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. Intelligent water management systems are another important application, helping to conserve this vital resource. Smart technologies can help conserve water by monitoring usage and detecting leaks early. Leak detection systems can quickly identify and locate leaks in pipes, preventing water loss and saving money. Smart meters provide consumers with real-time data on their water usage, helping them to make more informed decisions. Smart waste management is also becoming common, with sensors monitoring fill levels and optimizing collection routes. Sensors can be placed in public waste bins to monitor fill levels, ensuring timely collection and reducing overflow. Data-driven decisions lead to better resource management and a greener city, making urban living more sustainable and efficient for everyone. Beacons of Green. Lessons from Singapore, Amsterdam, and Copenhagen. Singapore is a remarkable example of a green city. The government has implemented ambitious greening initiatives for decades. They have strong green building codes. Singapore has an extensive network of park connectors. Amsterdam is a pioneer in smart city development. The city focuses on creating a circular economy. Amsterdam promotes electric mobility and smart grids. Citizen participation is a key aspect of Amsterdam's approach. Copenhagen aims to be carbon neutral. The city has invested heavily in cycling infrastructure. Copenhagen uses district heating systems and wind energy. These successful cities share common characteristics. They engage in long-term planning for sustainability. Their experiences offer valuable lessons for other cities around the world. Driving progress, innovation, and public-private partnerships. Continuous innovation is essential for advancing urban sustainability. We need to constantly develop new green technologies. Research and development play a crucial role in this process. Green engineering is at the heart of this innovation. Engineers design sustainable buildings that use less energy and water. Public-private partnerships, or PPPs, are very important. These partnerships bring together government agencies and private companies. Governments often have the long-term vision for sustainability. Private companies can provide expertise, technology, and funding. PPPs allow both sectors to share risks and rewards. They can be very effective for implementing large-scale green projects. Many successful urban sustainability initiatives rely on such collaborations. PPPs combine the strengths of both the public and private sectors. The citizen's role cultivating green urban living. Empowering citizens is fundamental to creating green cities. Sustainability is a shared responsibility. Every individual has a role to play. Promoting green living practices starts at home. Individuals can reduce their energy consumption and conserve water. Minimizing waste is another key action. Sustainable transportation choices are crucial in cities. Walking and cycling are healthy and environmentally friendly options. Using public transport reduces traffic congestion and lowers carbon emissions. Community involvement strengthens sustainable urban development. Citizens can participate in local greening projects. Supporting local farmers' markets helps reduce food miles. Active citizen participation builds greener cities from the ground up. Building tomorrow's green cities, a collective call. Urbanization is a continuing global trend. Sustainability is an absolute necessity for our shared future. We must act decisively and collectively. Green engineering offers a wealth of solutions. Smart technologies provide powerful tools to optimize resources. Nature-based solutions like green roofs and urban forests are key. We have the knowledge and the capability to make our cities sustainable. The challenge is to implement these solutions widely. This is a call to action for everyone. Governments must lead with clear vision and supportive policies. Businesses must innovate and adopt sustainable practices. Citizens must participate actively in green initiatives. Collaboration between all stakeholders is paramount. Let us work together to build the sustainable urban future that we all deserve.